Hey.
Hi.
Ah.
What's up, guys? Yo, boy.
The ugliest part. Where are we driving to? Huh?
We are currently driving to, I don't know if you guys have seen, if you guys have never seen that vlog, you guys need to watch it. But we're driving to Sunset Cliffs, and we're currently with Robert's mom, my mom number 2. Hi.
Oh, another one.
Hi. So yeah, she came to visit, and so we're taking her all around. So we're taking her to Sunset Cliffs to watch the sunset, because nothing better than the sunset. 1 and 2, we will be cooking for her some tacos and serving her some wine. So hopefully everything's good, and hopefully she enjoys. Are you excited, Ma?
Yeah. SeaWorld, y'all. SeaWorld San Diego. Get a little chilly. Can I? There you go. Okay, there we go. Hey.
What's up, everybody? Listen, future me, right there. I love it. Watch. I like cooking in there, and like, I love it. I can't wait. And look at the view they get to see every day or whenever they want to. So, yeah, I can't wait for that shit. Okay, guys. So there's one thing that's very important that we forgot. For some reason, I feel like every time we fuck up somehow, and vlogs are never meant to be like, I swear to God.
Yes, just close your eyes, guys, and just guess what we could have forgotten to cook.
Right. Leave it down in the comments before I tell you guys. Okay.
We fucking forgot.
What is it? We forgot the fucking pan to
cook.
be able to cook. So we're gonna try and improvise, and I came up with.
It's like a good.
We're gonna try.
I guess. So we're gonna try to put some heat under this.
Well, we're gonna clean this really good first, and then we're gonna cook over it, I guess, and try.
Hopefully, come here. Hopefully they like see us struggling and they be like, oh, do you guys want to use
our pan?
No, but if not, it's okay.
So yeah, so I guess you guys will see if it's a successful story or not. So let's go.
Hey, you like that view?
¿Te gusta? She said yes. So either way, it's successful.
She said yes.
Yes. Let's get it.
2 hours later.
Close enough. Always gets it right on.
Babe, that don't even go there. Everybody, take a look at this. He really thought. He really thought.
Wait, it's focusing. Ma, you like the view?
Yes, baby.
You love it?
Woo, yes. I love it.
You're about to eat some food? Some Juju and Rob camping food?
Yeah, baby.
Our food is actually always gourmet.
Yeah.
For me.
Right?
Aluminum oil.
Wish us luck. These are the sacrifices you have to make sometimes, you know?
Yep.
Yo no sabía nada. Ustedes me dijeron que voy a cocinar.
Should we put it on this one? Yeah, we should put it on this one.
Yo por eso no voy a cocinar.
We're just gonna have to like someone sit up there and put it between like their legs, like.
Ta-da!
I think that's too heavy.
Oh, you know what we forgot though? Lighter. You have a lighter?
No way.
That's one. And I took mine out. You wanna have something to see if they have it?
Yeah, you can. Why not?
Excuse me. Do you happen to have a lighter?
Oh, they have one! Yay!
Alright, yes.
experiment.
Thanks to him, honestly.
Yeah, that was cool. They let us borrow a
up.
lighter. Listen, we also forgot a lighter, which
We forgot everything. We always forget everything, bro.
Sácalo de eso, yo te lo pongo.
Ta-da.
we are just improvising to the T, dude. Look at her go.
Hell yeah.
Hold on. My shadow's blocking her.
Always. All right, guys.
We're improvising to the T. She's just going like we forgot. Yo, this is the best part about having this type of best friend right here. Our lives, like literally, if I had anybody else, would be like, oh well, I guess it's time to go home. Look, she found a shovel. She found a shovel that was working.
All right, guys. No. That's how we're doing this.
That's actually working better than the regular pan that we normally use.
Right.
Wow, this is for mama.
Yep.
At least she is.
Right.
That looks pretty.
Juice and everything. Whoops.
Baby, you always got that juice.
Right.
Who got the sauce?
I got that soul. So the shovel was a total success. Look at that meat. Look at that meat.
For a tour was 100.
Yeah, sprinkle that cheese, boy.
A dollop of, maybe like 3 dollops of sour cream. And the first one goes to you?
Aww.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
What you doing?
Yeah, hers is huge.
It's huge, right?
Cheers.
I was trying to cheers, babe. I was trying to do it big enough to only eat one, but it was like monstrous. So
Like, that's like a taco pizza. We were supposed to get my mom's reaction to it.
Háblame.
And look at you guys looking at our reaction to it. This is bomb though.
Good, and you, mi amor. How are you? Ay, dame, qué chulo.
What?
Se está haciendo lo importante.
papi, dame un beso.
Dame un beso. Mua.
Oh, dice bendición.
Ay,
Oh.
Dios te bendiga, mi please, I love you.
Okay, now kiss, baby, kiss.
Dame beso.
Okay, yummy.
Mua.
Está rico, ¿verdad?
Qué bello.
You're so yummy. I love you. What? Good night, Poppy. Have sweetest dreams, baby. Bye, baby.
Aw, bye, baby. Love you.
Love you, Buddha.
Déjame los como.
I know.
Ila, todo el.
Go ahead.
Todo.
Machete.
So yes, bringing Ma to the view, making her dinner. It was a success. So
And
let's
it's
get it.
time for us to cheers some more and get our
Enjoy this
glasses
view
full.
and watch the sunset because it's about to come down. And ooh boy.
You'll see. Cheers.
Yes, cheers. There we go. Look at you. Oh, babe. Tuta. Yes, Ma, working. Okay, girl. Yes, Ma. Yes. Guys, we just got some. Yo, you can never say no to
Girl Scouts.
Girl Scouts. I think, did Mom get some?
Samoa.
Mom got some.
We
I got some
literally
shortbreads. And you can't say no to them, ever. First of all, they're too cute. And second, they're bomb as fuck. So, but
So happy. That's a beautiful day. Thank you.
well, guys, that was a successful day. We watched the sunset. We fed Ma. We got some Girl Scouts cookies. Like,
Wow.
everything went so perfect, even though we forgot the pan and we ended up cooking with a shovel. Everything worked out perfectly fine.
Oh.
Everything worked out perfectly fine.
Just hearing you say it sounds so funny.
Right, it sounds crazy, but it was successful, and I wouldn't change it for the world.
Perfect day.
Here with my
Thank you,
brother
Fred.
from another mother,
Thank you.
and yes, so that's the end of the vlog, and deuces. Listen, guys, quick question though. I want you guys to let me know in the comments below what type of like videos you guys like more. If you guys like the more cinematic music type shots, or if you guys like more of the vlog type, maybe cooking, or I don't know. Just leave it down in the comments below. Tell me what kind of videos you guys are enjoying more, because we are trying to change it up a little bit, but we're trying to please you guys. So because you guys are the watchers, you guys are the ones supporting us, so we're trying to make you guys happy.
Yes. So make us
And-
happy and answer us.
Yeah, so leave it down in the comments below. Either cinematic, music shots, or more of vlog types. Oh,
Make sure follow my kids, okay?
Yes.
yes, what she said. well, we kind of came to a conclusion that we kind of been showing you guys all around the West Coast, but we haven't really been showing you guys more of San Diego,
Yeah.
which we live in. So why not show you guys more around this area? There's so many bomb ass spots that
So
you guys
many,
can see
yeah.
here. So this is just one of them. So other than that, make sure you like, share, subscribe. What he said in the what he yelled. So love you guys. Always. Peace out.
Peace out.